I'm about to show you how to take your notes from a 14-page plus PowerPoint to this, 4 pages of notes. What's up YouTube, it's your girl Lulu here, and I am back with another video. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and if you are a returning rich chick, welcome back babe. So be sure to stick around to the end of the video because I do have some great surprises for you guys, so be sure to stick around. So I'm about to show you how to take your notes from a 14-page plus PowerPoint to this, 4 pages of notes. It's been proven that it is easier to read notes when they're going down vertically rather than reading horizontally. So let's get straight into the video. So we're going to go right to view. We're going to change it to outline view, and you want to have this open like on an iPad or your cell phone or something on the side, so that way you're able to see any pictures or any notes in the bottom that you want to, and any footnotes that you want to grab, anything to help you. So I already have my Word document, so I'm going to Control V, which is going to help me paste, and I'm going to go ahead, and you want to tailor this to how you want it to look. So I love colors. It makes everything stand out, because even when I go to class, I like to make sure I use colors to like make everything pop. So I'm going to click up here to the decrease indent to make that come right here. And then in the book, it has on the immunity page a photo, so I'm going to grab both photos instead of just grabbing one. This photo is first. I'm just going to Control V. Going to make that a little smaller because when you print it out, it is going to be pretty big. And when I tell you this looks like it takes a lot of time now, but trust me, when you start studying, you're going to spend way less time. And I also don't like the bubbles my teacher used. So I'm going to go back here and I'm going to change the bullets, yes, to this. So this doesn't require a bullet. And you know, just get as creative as possible. Like whatever is going to help you succeed, you do it. So you want to print this out, take this to class with you, and you want to write in a different color so that way it'll make the information pop for you. So I'm going to do the same thing with this one. I'm going to move it over so that way it's falling. And the hyperacute rejection, that belongs like that according to my slides. So you know, anything like this, I'm going to remove it. All of these titles, I go ahead and bold all of my titles. Now let me show you how to, change this from being all in line like this. And we're gonna put it in a 2-column format. So what you want to do is you want to highlight what you want to be in a 2-column format, and you're going to take that and you're going to click that. Make sure you highlight just that so it won't change the format of your entire presentation. So you're going to keep going with that, and I haven't done everything, so it's not the 4 pages, but once you put everything, you make everything together, then it'll give you however many pages. But imagine going from 14 pages to 4. That makes studying so easy, and it helps reduce some of that stress, because of course we're already stressed, but this really helps it. And anything that you don't need, remove it. Anything that you can remember or you're already familiar with, remove it. So the surprise, one of the surprises that I have for you guys is that if you are struggling with pharmacology and you may be in your first, or this may be tailored toward your second semester, just probably goes based off of the school, but I am going to be linking this in the bio the description box my full breakdown for my finals. So this is about between like 59 to 70 pages of material, just depending on how it prints with your computer. But this was my holy grail. Like this, during the semester I was all over the place with how I wanted to study, but I know when I did use this method I passed. And using this on my end of semester exams was like, I wish I did this sooner. So make sure you print this out, you take it to class, you tailor it to how you need to, you write in a separate color and make it yours. You can share this with your friends, share it with your study group. Anytime we sat down with our study group, I added on information to help me, or anything I seen that may have not been mentioned, I added on. But this is one of your holy grails for the semester. So take it and run with it. Make it yours. Do what you need to do to make it yours. And the next surprise that I have for you guys is once I get to 1,000 subscribers, one lucky J1 or J2 nursing student will be selected for a free nursing and making bundle. So, you know, thank you guys for supporting me thus far on this journey, and I hope you guys continue to follow me on this journey, and I hope that you reach out, and if there's anything that you need help with, don't be afraid to shoot me a DM on Instagram or in the TikTok DMs. And you know, we all gonna win. That's what this is for. So just another overview of how mine came out. Yeah, that's really it. And I do this for every chapter or every PowerPoint that they put out. If I'm not able to do it in class, then I'll wait until afterwards and I'll get it out to myself and my study group partners. So thank you for watching, and I hope you guys hit that like and subscribe button. Love you.